Now I know the feeling. You may be putting all the effort in the gym. You're doing things right. You're monitoring your calories. You're eating healthy. You're giving it your all in every single set, but you're still not getting results. Well, I'm here to tell you, it may not be your fault. Hi, I'm Disciplined Dave, where I put the technique in your physique. Today, I'm going to go over something that I feel is a game changer in fitness. Now, this video is sponsored. It's sponsored by a company called Hone. And just because it's sponsored, I'm telling you right now, there is no bias when it comes to this. I actually turned down another company because I did their testing and it didn't work right for me. I had to send it in a couple of times just to get the results. Where with Hone Health, I actually tested this out before I even agreed to do this video. And I'm here to tell you that this is a game changer. It's very easy, and I'm going to tell you everything about Hone Health. Hone is a comprehensive home optimization clinic that helps men get back their energy, focus, libido, and muscle mass by addressing low testosterone. Home offers at-home biomarker testing, in-depth physical video consultants, and FDA-approved medication delivered straight to your door. Since it launched in 2020, Home has helped thousands of men. First, I want to say I am not a medical expert, and this is not medical advice. And although I'm not an expert, Hone Health is, and they'll be able to help you out every step of the way. Did you know that testosterone levels have decreased substantially over generations? Our father's generation had testosterone levels that were 25% higher than ours. So if you're feeling tired all the time, you can't concentrate, or you need extra cups of coffee just to get energy, it may be because your testosterone levels are low. Now for me personally, I started getting really concerned about testosterone levels after I reached the age of 35. If you check out my workouts on the channel, I really push it hard. I'm a person that makes sure that I'm pushing my best on every single rep in every single set. And for me to get results, I need to make sure that I go all the way until failure. But I started to notice that my energy levels weren't there. And as a person who's a YouTuber fitness channel, I make sure that my diet is clean and I'm doing everything right. And then I started to notice that maybe it wasn't me. Maybe it had something to do with my testosterone levels. So Hone Health really helped me out personally because they were able to see where I was at. Now let's break this stigma. I know when it comes to testosterone, there may be a stigma attached to it. And the thing is that low testosterone affects about 30 million men. And a lot of people just don't know how to get checked or what they need to do to make sure that they're at the right levels for optimal performance. So I'm here to tell you, don't feel bad that you're not getting results. It may not be your fault. The good news is Hone Health is here to help. There are a lot of misconceptions about testosterone, which is so much more than just a sex hormone. Optimization your testosterone can lead to increased energy, increased muscle mass, more focus, and a better overall mood. Hone Health helps men get tested and treatment for low testosterone from the comfort of your own home. The entire process is really easy. All you have to do is collect your sample, mail it back to the lab. Once the results are ready, you will video chat with a real doctor who will recommend a personal treatment plan based on your biomarkers and symptoms. Treatment options include FDA-approved medications, and everything gets delivered straight to your door. Now let's see what comes in the box and how the test works. So you're gonna get a box like this. All right, it's gonna come in the mail. And when you open it, you're gonna get instructions right away, okay? On the back of it, it has a QR code, and that's how you can get everything set up with your account. And then let's see here, you have a whole instruction guide here. So you see how this slips out. And then this is a template for how you collect the sample, which I like with the way that Hone collects a sample. Like I said before, I tried another company before and there was like a lot of attempts. Literally one attempt, I got my results back and I was able to schedule my appointment with the physician. So that's what I really like about it. So this is just a sample of how it is. So it just shows you that there so it can help you along the way. So you got your return label. Now this is what the actual sample, as far as like where the test is, it's gonna go right onto here. I actually made the mistake the first time I did it. I put it on the sample right here, or the collection template. I'm sorry, not the sample, but the collection template. So don't make that mistake. You wanna use this one here. It kind of has kind of like a cotton look or feel to the actual test there. And These are going to be the lancets here, and you're going to have some band-aids in here and some gauze. And this is where that sample is going to go into. And this is your biohazard bag, and you're going to put it in here to mail it back. Okay. Now let me show you how to set everything up online. So right here, you're going to go to your video instructions here. So like I said, you just scan that QR code, but if you open this up, it gives you everything you need to do. All right. So we're going to go ahead and do the sample registration. Now, once we get in here, you can go ahead and already sign in, or you can create a new account. All right. So I already have an account set up. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. All right. So this is the screen you're going to come to, and you'll be able to go ahead and register your sample. All right, and then over here, you're gonna go ahead and put in your sample number. Now, when you put in your sample number, after that, you're gonna go ahead and collect your sample. So let's get to it. Now, all these instructions are gonna be on the video when you scan on the QR code here. And the way you can do that is you're just gonna grab your phone and go to your camera app, and you can just hover it over it. So I have an iPhone there, but you can also use it on Android. And you just hover it over there, and then there's going to be a URL link that's gonna pop up. And you're gonna tap that, and there's a video, which I love video because I connect a lot better with video. And it's gonna tell you all the things you need to do before you collect the sample. This is very important because I kind of skipped ahead a little bit, and then there were some things that I didn't do. Like, for one, you don't want to eat for a certain amount of hours. You don't want to have any alcohol. And I'm not like a big alcohol drinker, but I was actually attending a birthday and I had alcohol that day before I wanted to take the test, so I had to wait another day. So learn from my mistakes, and you want to make sure that you watch the video and you do everything it says so you have the most accurate sample, okay? So you want to do that first. One of the things I find very important here, I want to mention, it's going to tell you that you want to wash your hands in warm water for about 2 minutes. Make sure you do it at 2 minutes. It's very important. And then from there, you just want to do like a leisure little exercise. So you want to do those things first. And now I'm going to show you how everything works with the Lancet, and how you can go ahead and get your sample right onto the right on here onto the marker, the piece here. What are we going to call this here? Let's see. What does this say that this is? Your collection card. All right, your collection card. That's what it's called here, your collection card. Okay, I'm back. So it's been 2 minutes. All right. Get my little sterile alcohol pad. I'm gonna wipe it away here. I'm gonna use my middle finger here. Just gonna do a twisting motion. All right. And then you're gonna press a little bit to the side of the finger. Hold for a second or two. All right. And now you literally just squeeze and let the droplet come down. And you're gonna get about four droplets there. And it's really just as simple as that. Yeah, and so when I was using another competitor's one, it took me, so I had to do a lot more droplets, and that was extremely problematic to get it done. And that's what I like about the Home Health, is that this collection piece here is a lot more easier to use. The whole process is easier. But that's pretty much, you know, how it works. And pretty much after that, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to open up the packet here. You're going to go ahead and put your sample right here into the packet. It's very important that you don't remove the contents from the bag here. And you're going to mail it back. Oh, before I forget all of that, you need to make sure that it dries for a couple of hours. But this will all be in the video here, okay? Well, that's pretty much it. So after it dries for a couple of hours, you're going to go ahead and just put it in this little packet right here. In this packet, you'll see there's like some beads in there, and you just want to make sure you don't remove anything from the packet. You want to just go ahead and put your sample in, put it in the biohazard bag, and then you're going to have a pre-printed return label and put it on there. All right, we've registered our sample, we sent it in. Now let's see about getting those results. All right, so once you come here, you can go on the computer and then you can go to your lab and you'll see various different results here. Now this is just a sample, this isn't mine directly here, but I just want you to get a feel of all the biomarkers and things they're gonna measure. And then you're gonna go ahead and be able to have a live video chat with the physician. You just need to go ahead and schedule that appointment. Now to schedule the appointment, as you see right here on the side, you can go ahead and schedule it. And for here's an example here. And all you're going to do is just get your ID, because they want to make sure that, you know, security is your top priority. They want to make sure that they have the right person, that it's a personal experience, that you don't have to worry about anybody taking your information. So actually you can verify your ID with a driver's license or state ID. So you're going to verify the ID and you can go ahead and schedule it. So I've already scheduled here, but there's going to be various appointments that you can choose from that works best for you. And then, like I said, you have a video chat with a consultant of a doctor that's going to give you recommendations based on the sample that you sent, so you can get the most optimum results when you're trying to be reach those levels where you have more energy, you're not as tired all the time, you have focus, and then you can really maximize that muscle mass. And not only that, you'll get these product recommendations. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Now, as you see over here, if you go to products, as you see, you have it right here on the home page. There's various products, recommendations that could really help you out. But you want to wait until you get that consultation with the doctor here. But I'm just going to give you some examples of some of these various products that are really going to help you. Now, if you're watching this video, I know that you're curious about your testosterone levels. So why don't you just go ahead and order the easy to use at-home assessment test to learn your testosterone levels. Right now, you can get your tests and you're consulted by your physician for only $45. And the way to do that is you're going to just click the link in the description. It's homehealth.com/disciplinedave. This is a limited time offer out there for viewers of the channel. So just go ahead and click the link in the description and you can find out if you're at your optimal levels of testosterone for only $45. I'm telling you, this will be the best decision that you've ever made in your health and your fitness. So go ahead and check that out. Now, if you have any questions about home health, what they offer, what they do, just leave a comment below and I'll make sure that I can answer it as best as I can. If I can't answer it, I'll reach out to home to make sure we get the right information for you. So thank you so much for watching. Now that you know what you need to do to make sure you're at the optimal level, go ahead and check out these two videos here, because it's going to teach you how to work out here. Now, you still need to work out now. Don't forget about that. So go ahead and click the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching and take a look at home health.